And for today's content, what we're going to have to discuss one move in chess. So yes, 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 I'm gonna yes.
Oh my god!
And before we start the game, you make sure to click the notification bell to update every time I have a new upload. And click the like, share, and subscribe to every time. Yes. 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 Yes, yes, yes. So without further ado, let's get started. Use my chessboard. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, I have here the imaginary friends. Imaginary friends. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the secret one of chess? Let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. As you can see, the sea and sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea.